Thomas was a cheeky little engine. He's a boy. He's got a face, a cheeky little top, and some blue wheels. I like it. He lives with his friends, with Percy, Henry, Edward, and Toby. He likes the old characters in the whole wide world. Thomas was a great boy. But why? 'Cause he did. No, Thomas, said Percy. Oh. So he looked in his friends every day. At night, Thomas was a great boy. He wanted to play. No, Thomas, says Percy. Oh, you never know. But why? Because he did. No, I'm not. Yes, you are. No, I'm not. Yes, you are. No. Yeah. No. Yeah. Oh, no. Thomas was very sad. When the sun came up, cock-a-doodle-doo! Thomas was happy. Yay! Great morning, guys. Yeah, Thomas. Yes. Yes. Great boy, Thomas. Thomas was a cheeky boy in the world. He looked at the engines and he was happy ever again.